from the Digital Built Empowerment Lab. We got a new toy for us. It's a new graphic card that's gonna help us a lot for virtual reality and many other AI stuff. So we are gonna install it today. But before doing it, we are gonna do just a nice experiment. So let's be careful. No, it was just a box. the graphic card are here. You can see here, this is the new one that we are going to install it. We just removed our old 1080 Ti. We purchased it 5-6 years ago, and we are gonna just quickly show you how the hardware has been evolving the last 5 years. You know, people wait their food before eating to have healthy lifestyle. We wait graphic card in this lab. So let's go and have a look with the old one. Ryo, please.
So this is 2080 Ti. Of course, it's got the massive heatsink and the thicker board. Just measure it on the weight. Says it's 1600 grams.
Which is not bad, but this one is we were shocked when we.
This one's 5060 Ti, which is not big baby, but
how many gigabytes of RAM?
So it's got the 16 gigabytes graphic card RAM.
Instead of the other one had
The other
12.
one's got the
Let's go and have a look. Wow.
670 grams, so which is like
They,
half.
yeah, they lost 1 kilo.
Yeah.
Wow. So we are gonna set it up and let you know it works, at least starting benchmarking with some LLMs, and then we will try with the more advanced graphics things with Unity. See you.